Good morning, students. In our previous video, we were discussing about types of diseases, and we have discussed about acute diseases and chronic diseases. Acute diseases are short-term diseases, for example, diarrhea, typhoid, common cold, etc. Whereas chronic diseases are long duration diseases like tuberculosis, elephantiasis, diabetes, etc. In this video, we are going to discuss about the other two types of diseases, which are non-communicable or non-infectious diseases, and the other one is communicable or infectious diseases. Now let us first discuss about the infectious or communicable diseases. So these are the diseases which are spread from an infected person to a healthy person through air, water, food, vectors, physical contact, or any sexual contact. So these diseases are caused by disease causing microbes which are called pathogens, and pathogens are bacteria, viruses, fungi, etc. They are called infectious or communicable diseases because these pathogens, or you can say the infectious agents, can spread them from diseased person to a healthy person by means of air, water, food, insects, physical or sexual contacts, etc. And the examples for communicable or infectious diseases are common cold, chickenpox, measles, typhoid, cholera, tuberculosis, malaria, AIDS, etc. So if a person comes in contact with the other person which have these communicable diseases, the healthy person also gets infected with these diseases. The other one is the non-infectious or non-communicable disease. So these are the diseases which are not spread from an infected person to a healthy person. So they are diseases which are not caused by any pathogen or any living organism. They are mostly due to internal non-infectious causes. For example, high blood pressure is often caused by excessive weight and lack of exercise. Cancers may be due to genetic abnormalities. Hormonal imbalance may result in disorders like diabetes. So non-infectious diseases remain confined to a person. They do not spread from an infected person to a healthy person. They are neither present at birth nor spread from one person to another. And some of the examples of non-communicable diseases are the beriberi, rickets, scurvy, night blindness, diabetes, cancer, high blood pressure, etc. These are some of the non-communicable diseases. Now let us see the difference between these two. The first difference is the disease can be transmitted from an infected person to a healthy person is called communicable disease. The diseases which are not transmitted, they are called non-communicable diseases. Communicable diseases are spread by microorganisms which are called pathogens, and non-communicable disease are caused by the deficiency of nutrients, hormone, or any kind of tumor formation, etc. So these are mostly due to internal non-infectious causes, internal factors. The examples of communicable disease are cholera, AIDS, malaria, etc. You can write any of them. Non-communicable disease can be diabetes, goiter, cancer, hypertension, etc. These are some of the non-communicable diseases. So I hope now the topic types of diseases is clear to you all. We have broadly classified all the four types of diseases, which are acute, chronic, communicable, and non-communicable diseases, and we have also seen the difference between these all. So that's it for this video, and in the next video we are going to continue with our chapter. Thank you.